Hey girl, welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene. If you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, okay? Because your girl be rocking and rolling over here. So just go and hit the sub button and hang out with your girl. Got a lot of stuff in store soon, okay? So today we have Fashom. Fashom Box. Fashom is a styling service, and you get to try on items. You get your personal stylist. You fill out a survey. You fill out with Fashom, you fill out a survey just like you do any other style box. And the difference with Fashom is they'll send you like maybe let's say 7 items for you to view and kind of like pick. Okay, do I want 5 of these items? If no, send me more. You email them back. They'll send you more selections, and then you get to go again. Now, let me be honest. I really had to tell my stylist to not think about my age, because I kind of felt like the first 7, and even like last time with the first 7, the clothes aged me a little bit. So I did have to ask her, please look at my Pinterest board. I mean, I just was not feeling my selection, and what I settled on, honestly, I was not feeling. But I said, you know what, let me just, and you don't have to get the box. You can cancel it. They just charge you $15. My first 2 sessions were free or whatever. And if you want to sign up, you can sign up below with my link, and you can save yourself. The first 2 sessions are free. So if you want to try them for free, which is a great way to see if it's something that works for you, you know, kind of let them know what you're looking for. I really didn't have anything specific that I was looking for. All I said, you know, was really some casual pieces. So if I really looked at the pieces from what I said, then I guess, okay, fine. But I did have to ask her. And the problem, you know, is like sometimes when you're picking, you really can't, like you can see the front, but you can't see the back. You know what I'm saying? So that kind of like, it's like, okay, now what does it look like or whatever. So let's get started. With Fashom. And the same thing with Fashom, you have 3 days to decide whether you want to pick out something and send it back, you know, what have you. And if you purchase you only have to purchase 3 items from Fashom, and you get a 25% discount. 3 items, that's all you gotta purchase. So you get the envelope that says, hello, beautiful. And the hashtag is better as I am. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. I know that's right, girl. Tell me about it. So then it just tells you here about, you know, what you can expect. You can freeze the frame if you want to, you know, get a little bit more information. I'm looking for, okay, so my stylist is Morgan. And it says, hi Teresa, welcome back to Styling with Fashom. In this box, I have selected an outfit for you consisting of fun and unique clothing items that will be great additions to your spring wardrobe. I hope you enjoy my picks, and I know these styles will look awesome on you. Your stylist, Morgan. Well, Miss Morgan, let's see what you got. Because I saw them, but you know, like I said, you see them, but you really can't see them, you know what I'm saying? So with Fashom, we have the sticker here, and let me just, can you see? The colors look pretty. Can you see the colors from that side? So, let's take a look. I will say this first top, I was interested in trying, because I kind of did like the look on this, but then again, you know, this is by Windhorse. Windhorse is committed to offering authentic, fair trade quality products. All our products are traditionally handcrafted. Slight irregulations in color and stitches are unique characters of these beautiful hand pieces. And this box here, I think they donate like $1 to Animal Fund or something like that. So with this, we have the front, which is black, and it has this little detailing here. Let me see. Yeah, on the end of the black piece. So this is what it looks like. The back, we have a little split back, which I'm really feeling these split backs. Yeah, I like the split back. And I love the colors in this. I really do. I think the colors in this are gorgeous. The next shirt up is by, let's see. Okay, now, this top I totally slept on, which makes me almost wish I would have gotten one of the other tops that she sent me in the beginning, because I looked at it, you know, I was like, nah, I don't like that. I don't want that top, yada, 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 yada. But this top, I like, for some reason, I like this top. And I'm gonna come up close. It can go with so many colors, like it can go with a whole lot of colors. And let me see, you see the sleeve, which is really, really cute. I like the sleeve of this. I like how it fits in here, to be honest. I do like that it's a logo situation, because sometimes I like to cover my behind. I just do. And I like the fact that it comes down like that. Next up, we have the mid-shop jersey V-neck pocketed sleeve dress. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, I was so concerned about this dress because this dress it looks short as crap on the model. But I said, you know what? I will give it a try. These clothes look huge. Maybe I ain't gonna be. I don't know why they look so big. But it has pockets on the side, and it's just a plain V-neck dress. Just a really cute. You know, to me, it's a really nice dress. I love the fact that it has pockets, and it's a cool dress, you know, for the spring and the summer months. So we'll see what that looks like on. Next up, we have this top here that I kind of thought was cute. This is Mid-Shop. Oh, Mid-Shop kind of took over this box, girl. Mid-Shop tropical camisole knit top. It looks huge. So this is what this top looks like. I thought this would be really cute, you know, for the spring, summer months. Just something with some flowers and just a little, you know, different. I never really wear spaghetti straps like this, so I really wanted to get back into wearing spaghetti straps like this, and I actually could put on like jackets or cardigans or, you know, blazers or something like this that I thought would be cute. So that's really why I got this for that purpose. And last but not least, we have D jeans high-waisted ankle jeans. And I've seen this brand in several places. I would not get them any bigger because a lot of times I have a problem, like, look at this is the problem I have with a lot of my pants. All right, let's talk turkey, which is money around here. Let me go ahead and tell you what I think about these D jeans. I think these D jeans are great. They're high-waisted ankle pants. They fit really nicely. But let me tell you my problem. These pants are $55. $55. I can get D jeans all day long for like $20 at TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I think I even got a few pair from Burlington. I actually have D jeans and I love the way these pants fit. I really do. But I can get them for $20. And yeah, I can get 25% off. Which my husband probably would say, you know, I mean, just keep them because can you find that color, yada, yada, yada. I just don't know that I can pay $55 for these, and 25% off is not like a whole lot. So, and it's not even, you know how like, if you just know you can get a brand cheaper, you just kind of like, I don't know, that's a lot cheaper. No, that's $35 cheaper. I can get these jeans $35 cheaper. So I probably will not purchase these jeans for $55, okay? The dress that I have on is $42. Mid-shop, I don't know, like, I love how this dress feels, but I'm just thinking I probably can get a dress cheaper than this for $42. Like, I don't feel like I don't know. The Windhorse Paisley tank top is $42. Now I think this is fine for $42 because it's so different. You know what I'm saying? It's such of a different piece that I could totally see paying $42 for that. This shirt here, the Mid-Shop V-neck tie ruffle sleeve, is $41. I paid $41 for this top. I like this top enough that I would pay $41 for this top. It might be plain, but actually it's got some details to it, like the sleeve, the ruffle sleeves, the tie back. I just thought that this was really a cute top for $41. It looked better in person, put it that way. This mid shop tropical camisole knit top is $39. And to be honest, I like this enough that I probably paid $39 for it, you know, with 25% off. So my subtotal is $219. $219. If I get 3 items at least discount, 25% off, is $54.75, which brings it down to $164.25. Needless to say, I decided to not keep not one of these pieces because they either fit big, and sometimes big can make you look bigger, and I really wasn't impressed with this box. Some of the pieces I liked enough, but I did not like enough to purchase them. So I decided to not purchase anything. I sent everything back. I'm honestly, I really have not been pleased with Fashom's selections. I feel like they pick clothes that age me and not really cater to my taste. So, this box was a fail. The last box was fine. This one just wasn't my taste. I gotta check it out. I gotta let my husband see them because he probably said keep the whole box. That $55 for them jeans, I just cannot do it because I know that I can get those jeans a lot cheaper, and that would worry the crap out of me. So I just don't know that I can do that. But $164.25 for this box, I'm really not, like, I don't know. I'm really not impressed enough to pay $164 for these items. They just, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, if you want to give them a try, like I said, your first two style, you know, like they'll style you twice and they'll waive the $15. So if you want to try, or we get $15, but anyway, they don't charge you. You get like a couple boxes for free. Trying them for free. You know, you have to pay for the items, but you can actually get the stylists to get them to you for free. So if you're interested, my link is in the description bar below. Just sign up, give them a try, see if they can, you know, find something to fit you. Like I said, I think I did have to tell her to take my age out of the equation. And these pieces are fine. I think, you know, the pieces, now that I have them, you can't always judge a book by its cover. So like, seeing them sometimes I almost wish that you couldn't see them and that they would just send them to you. And I say that because with Stitch Fix, I don't know what I'm getting. They just send it. So with that being said, like sometimes you have an opportunity to turn down things that probably look really good on you with Fashom because you do get to see them. So I think if I decide to get another box, that I would be a little bit more hands off and say, okay, let her send me the items, but instead of being so critical the first time around, pick something out of the first time around and just try it. Because like I said, really, I knew I would like this. I knew I would like the Paisley print. These two, and the dress, I like the dress. The dress surprised me because I didn't think I liked the dress at all. And these two pieces definitely surprised me, especially this. But the more I began to look at this on the website, I was like, you know what? I think I like that. I think I like that. And I really so wish I would have let her send me. It was another top that I was like, no, I don't think I like it. But now that I see this top, I think I really would have liked that other top. It was a gray top with like some coral flowers in it. And I just didn't think I would like it. But now I so wish I would. I think I'm going to email them and see, can they send me, can I swap out that top or maybe that camisole or these jeans, you know what I'm saying, something like that. Because, yeah, I wish I would have gotten that. Anywho, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button and hang out with your girl. And I will holler back at you in the next video. Bye, girl.